Welcome to the Good Plate. Today I'm making tomato rice pilaf. Subscribe for more recipes. If you want to make this vegetarian, replace the chicken base with vegetable base, and for vegan, replace the butter with olive oil. First, make the broth in a heat-safe measuring cup by adding boiling water to the base. Add the saffron and let it bloom. Then add the tomato powder and stir well. Add the spices and cilantro. Set the broth aside. Remove the inner pot and put it on the stove top. Melt the butter in the inner pot. Add the vermicelli and saute. Add the rice and saute. Saute the rice mixture until it's golden brown. Add the broth and insert the inner pot into the Instant Pot. Set the Instant Pot for rice, white rice, for 12 minutes on low. On high, it's 4 minutes for long, 5 for medium, and 6 for short-grained rice. When the time is up, use natural release. Fluff and garnish with cilantro. Enjoy, and see you next time. Bye-bye.